How to crop videos in CapCut. If any day you would like to edit any of your video or if you would like to crop any of your video but do not know what to do, then CapCut may be the best video editor for you. And in order to crop your videos in CapCut, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. In order to launch CapCut on your mobile device, you have to tap on CapCut for a while. After that, your CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. Now you can keep any of the videos that you like to edit. You can directly go from your very gallery option, or you can also choose any of the projects that you have chosen before. Now you have to tap on the very video that you would like to crop. So after you tap on the very video that you would like to crop, that will open on the very interface like this. And after you see an interface like this, now you have to tap on the very video which you'd like to edit. After tapping on the very video you'd like to edit, now you have to search the very crop option out there. If you do not find any crop option out there, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of transform here. After you go to the option of transform, you can see the option like rotate, mirror and crop. Now you have to tap on the option of the crop, and after you tap on the option of the crop, you can see the various crop options out there. You can customly crop it, or you can go to the option of 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3 or 2:1, or any of the aspects that you want. You can also crop it by the way you want by tapping on like this, and this way your very video will be cropped. And after that, you can take on the tick option out there and you can export your videos after cropping it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.